These golden years ain't made of gold, but they're rich with naps and tales retold. With each gray hair, I've learned to cheer. For every ache, there's another beer. So pull up a rocker, lend me your ears. I've got wisdom, baby, and golden years. They're golden.
But first of all, please know that chicken poop and composted chicken manure are not the same thing. Composted chicken manure go through a composting process, and it is consisting of 2/3 grass, or sometimes they use hay. They mix it together with the chicken poop to make a composted chicken manure. Straight chicken poop to your plants can kill your plants. If you're in the Philippines, you can buy composted chicken manure through Lazada or Shopee. Here in the US, we just go to Home Depot or Lowe's or some other garden center to get them from.
I'll tell you this. They said the golden years would be calm and bright. I pictured beaches, naps, and jeans that fit right. But turns out they're talking about a Medicare plan and a back that pops louder than a rock and roll band. I got meds in a box with days of the week and a nap that sneaks up mid-sentence I speak. They said relax now, life slowed down fine, but my joints sound like maracas when I cross the line. These golden years sure look like rust. Can't remember names, but I still cuss.
Good morning. In this video, I will be doing dragon fruit maintenance, removal of unwanted dragon fruit flower buds, removal of dragon fruit unwanted growths, and we will apply fertilizers. I will also later talk about the different varieties of dragon fruits that I grow.
In my dreams one night, Saint Peter, Jesus' closest disciples, told me that the tiny air pockets in soil provide the oxygen necessary for root respiration. In his voice, he said,
"While the leaves and stems of a plant perform photosynthesis, all living plant cells, including those in the roots, need oxygen for a process called aerobic respiration."
Saint Peter was a fisherman. The Bible does not contain any verse stating that Saint Peter was a gardener. His profession before Jesus called him to be an apostle was a fisherman. And so, I asked Saint Peter, "I thought you were a fisherman, and not a gardener nor a farmer." And Saint Peter answered,
"Did the rooster crow 3 times? I am not a gardener, but you are. So, I am telling you what is best for you. Give them compost and your plants will do well. Don't sin, and when it is time, I will let you in."
Some things in life you just can't mend, like a busted watch or a stubborn friend. You can pray, you can beg, you can even plead, but stubborn don't listen and dumb don't read. They'll climb that fence, they'll touch that wire, they'll fan the flames of their own fire. Yeah, you can patch a road in a heart that's ripped, but you can't fix stupid. It's factory equipped. Saw a lady at the zoo tossing fries at a bear. Then she wondered why folks started to stare. Read the sign said, "Do not feed," but she said, "That don't apply to me." You can write it big, you can write it small, but you can't save them if they can't read it all. You can't fix stupid, it's hardwired in, like trying to make a rooster not crow again. You can send them to school, you can send them to Mars, but they'll still try to barbecue inside their cars. They'll chase a dream, they'll lick a pole, they'll swear duct tape can fix their soul. You can paint the town and repave the street, but you can't